sabi ko nga early on, sabi ko, we welcome itong mga information na to, no? We are continuously validating them, and we are ginagawa natin lahat to validate it and to secure the province of Basilan. But let this information be para lalong maging vigilant ang mga Basileño, no? Ang mga tao lalong maging vigilant. No reason to panic, no reason to fear, and but of course, mas maganda na palagi tayong vigilant para hindi tayo masisingitan. Alam naman natin na mayroon pa rin mga armed groups dyan na we are really trying na to run after. But going back, our situation in Basilan is still very peaceful, no? Your security forces are still on top of the situation.